Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2005 Ford Escape and I will show you how to remove the instrument cluster and replace the light bulbs behind it. You will have to do this in case there is no backlight behind any of these numbers or gauges. This is a very common problem on Ford Escape, and there is like lots of small light bulbs on the back side of this odometer. Luckily it's not too hard to remove it and replace those light bulbs, so yeah, I'll show you now how to do it. And this video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Now before you start doing this, make sure to disconnect the negative battery pole and leave it disconnected for at least 30 minutes. You have to do this because once you remove the instrument cluster, replace the light bulbs and put it back in, plug it back in, if the battery is not disconnected, the vehicle theft system could get activated and then you won't be able to start the vehicle. You'll have to tow it to a Ford dealership and for them to unlock it. Okay, once the battery is disconnected, first you'll want to lower the steering wheel all the way down and lock it in that position. Okay, the next thing you will have to do, you'll have to remove two 7mm screws. One is here, other one is right here, and by removing them you'll be able to remove this plastic trim piece around the instrument cluster. So these are those two 7mm screws, and once you have them out, next thing you'll want to pry this trim piece out because there is nothing else holding it pretty much. So just want to first pry on this side, and then you will do the same thing on the other side as well. Here like this. Now you can pretty much just pull this black plastic piece off and you'll get access to the instrument cluster. Okay, so next thing you want to remove, there's four 7mm screws, exactly the same ones like you just removed. So one is up here, then there is one here, one right here, and one more up here. So proceed to remove those ones. Okay, once you have removed these four screws, the instrument cluster will be completely loose, and now you can gently pull it straight out and remove it. Now on top of the instrument cluster you will have to disconnect these wires. So this is like a safety switch here, just wanna push it to the other side and then you can just pull the cable out, and then you can just proceed to completely remove the odometer instrument cluster. Now if you turn it to the opposite side, you will see a bunch of small light bulbs here, and in the description below this video I will leave you exactly the part number for this light bulb so you don't have to search by yourself. Now to remove any of these light bulbs, pretty much just you can use the pliers and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Okay, so this is how it looks from up close. Now you can buy these in pretty much any auto parts store. Even Walmart should have them, I think. And now, depending on which backlight is not working, you will pretty much replace that light bulb, and that's it. Once you have replaced all of them, put everything back together, and then once you've done that, then you can hook up the battery again, and that's it. It's actually quite easy to do this. On some other vehicles it's much harder. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.